Hey guys, yesterday we made the Crossy Road T-Rex and today we're going to make the Crossy Road Chicken. Now it's not as good as this T-Rex, but it's as best as I could do in this scale. So let's do this. Okay, so these are the pieces you need to make your own LEGO Crossy Road Chicken. So let's get started. So first of all, we're going to grab a 2x3 plate and we're going to put a 1x3 plate on the side and another 1x3 tile on top. Now we'll go ahead and do that. These are going to be the wings, so same again, 2x3, 1x3 and a 1x3 tile. So they look like that. Now we're going to use these 2x3 tiles and we're going to just offset it like that. And you'll see why in a second, because we're going to pop another one on here like that. And another one on the back like that. So this is going to be the base. And now what we want to do is go ahead and get a 1x6 and we pop that on like that. Then we can grab another one of these 2x3s and pop it on the back like that. Now we're going to fill in the bottom here, so let's just go ahead and do that now. We use a 1x2 plate here and a 1x1 and another 1x1 over here. So we're just filling in the bottom. To make the legs, we're just going to go ahead and use a 1x1 brick and a 1x2 plate. And obviously we need two of those. Now they're just going to sit in here like that. But we won't put them on just yet because it'll make it hard to build the rest of the model. Okay, so now we'll get started on the beak. So the beak is just going to be two of these, actually three of these 1x3 red plates. And then we're going to go ahead and use a 1x4 in orange, and we'll put two of those. And at the end, we're just going to use a tile like that. And then we just finish this off here with another 1x2 in orange. So that's going to sit on like that. Now it's actually going to sit just a little bit out like that. Okay, so we'll go ahead and build up the rest. And we're using a 1x4 on this side here and another 1x4 there. A 1x2 brick that goes there. And then we're going to go ahead and use another 1x4, 1x4 and a 1x2. So that sort of builds up the main body. Now for the eye, we're just going to use one of these black tiles here, and we're going to use a 1x3 at the front here. Now we just got to fill in this top, so we use another 1x3 in white, and I don't have another 1x3, so I'm using a 1x2 and a 1x1. Then we just use a 2x3 to fill in the back here. So that's kind of the face there. Now we want to go ahead and build a little comb on top. So it's actually 1x2 plates and a 1x2 tile like that. Then we're going to go ahead and use a 1x4 tile and another 1x4 tile there and a 1x1 tile at the front like that and one at the back like that. Then we're just going to use a 1x3 just at the back here, and this kind of represents the feathers, so that looks pretty good. Now we're just going to put these feet back on. So we'll just pop them on like that, and that is the LEGO Crossy Roads Chicken. Now I don't think it's as good as this T-Rex, but I wanted to make it in the same scale, so it's going to have to do for now. If you want to see more LEGO Crossy Road characters, well, leave a comment down below. So please like and subscribe, and until next time, it's bye for now.